Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I will show you how you can use Postlabs very fast to generate very professional long-form articles for your blog success. At the end of this video, you know how you can generate articles like that with an excerpt, with a beautiful image generated with Postlabs, with headlines, with all that listicles, with that tables you can see here, and very long article like you can see right here. Whatever you can imagine for whatever question you can imagine. So let's start into how to do that. First of all, you start with a simple question with Google. At Google, you can use whatever question you can imagine. You can also use Google for help to get more and more questions about a specific niche, in a specific niche for a specific topic. Just for example, how to brew beer. So we go back to our Postlabs, and of course, before you can generate any article, you need to go to settings, then you go to the integrations tab, you click to the right, connect new site, click on that, then you follow please the instruction of the video right next to the configure WordPress site. Things you can do here, very simple, couple of minutes, and when you did that, you go to focus poster in the left menu with the question you have from Google, for example, or you have some questions in mind for your niche, and then what you do is you put that question into this placeholder here, and then you choose, after you connected it, your website. For example, my website, Trusted Experts. You wait, we are retrieving your WordPress data, so you can choose in which category your article, your answer for that question we should put that into. In my case, I will use, for example, this one. It's German in my case, so I choose the author. Then I can decide whether my article should be sent as draft to WordPress or as published. I also can choose if I want to schedule that article for later. I can enable or disable this toggle here, so I can choose my future date. I can choose the hour, and then I can do it. But for now, I keep it like that. I forward it to WordPress because I want to publish it. Then I can choose a Postlabs folder. It's just for the internal organization. So I can choose any folder, and also I can create a folder in Postlabs. I choose my language. In this case, it's English. So I choose English. Then I can choose the article size. I can choose between small, medium, large. In this case, I think small is super okay for me. Then you can choose your text structure. What do you want to have included in your article? Conclusions, nice, check it, tables, listicles, italics, bold. All right. And here in the paid version, you can choose image generation. You just enable that toggle and you choose featured image and you choose HD. HD image quality is the best quality for featured image. For example, I let AI decide it, and then I click here to the bottom. On the bottom, start generating. I click it, and now I get at the top a green blog request dispatched. I'm getting redirected into my articles section, and here I can see in the tab in progress my article how to brew beer, and I can see the text progress in percentage. So it's a little bit animated progress bar here. You can see how far we are in the progress of generating these articles until we reach the 100% of the progress. When the article is finished, we can click on preview and we can see this article. Can happen that when we have like a picture that it's maybe loading a little bit, but here you can see the quality of this image we are generating, and this is very nice. And here you can see the text, and you can see that we have a lot of very nice aspects here. And when we go to our WordPress, because we send it straight forward to our WordPress installation, right? And I refresh this page, we can see that we have here our article, how to brew beer. We can, by the way, it's very important, when we click edit, we can edit this article still in our WordPress editor. This is also possible. This is no problem. We can add information here. Later can way more even improve the article with our ideas, with our thoughts. Maybe we can add informations, we can delete informations, whatever you want to do. We also can preview this article. Let's give it a try. Let's see how our article looks like, and I think it's beautiful. We have like a very nice nice, comprehensive, long form contents, also with beautiful listicles right here. And I can go to these tables. Very, very beautiful. This is how you can generate very, very, very nice articles. And this is very, very nice. When you need more help, please reach out to us. At the right corner bottom, you can see a live chat where you can reach out to me or to someone out of my team. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for further information and tutorials. Please have fun generating very, very high quality professional articles. Type in a question and having fun generating articles, getting more clients, getting more visitors, improve your business. We see us in the next video.